Exfoliation scrub. Gram flower removes fine facial hair, fights body acne, instant glow. Lime juice, rich in vitamin C, has anti-aging properties, lightens dark underarms. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, fades dark spots, soothes dry skin. Curd, rich in lactic acid, hydrates skin, nourishes skin. Mix it into a paste. Take a warm water shower to open pores. This makes exfoliation easy. Apply the mask and leave it on for 10 minutes. Scrub and wash away. Cleansing scrub. Oatmeal removes dead skin cells, naturally cleanses skin. Honey naturally moisturizes skin, rich in antioxidants, deeply cleanses pores. Curd, rich in lactic acid, hydrates skin, nourishes skin. Mix it into a paste. Apply it on your freshly showered body for supple and soft skin. Detan scrub. Coffee grinds improves blood circulation, reduces cellulite, naturally reduces tan. Aloe vera cools and hydrates skin, tightens pores, prevents rashes. Cinnamon powder has antibacterial properties, enhances complexion, corrects skin decoloration. Mix it into a paste. Apply the scrub on wet body and scrub for 5 minutes. Leave it on for 15 minutes, wash away while scrubbing for best results.